ഓം ശ്രീ പരമാത്മനെ നമ. അത തൃതീയ അധ്യായ. ചാപ്റ്റർ 3. അർജുനുവാച ധ്യായസി ചേത് കർമ്മണസ്തേ മതാ ബുദ്ധിർജനാർദ്ദന തത്കിം കർമ്മണി ഗേരേ മാം നിയോജസി കേശവ. Arjuna said, Krishna, if you consider knowledge as superior to action, why then do you urge me to this dreadful action, Keshava? Vyamisreneva vakyena buddhim mohaya siva me tadegam vada നിശ്ചിത്യ യേന ശ്രേയോ ഹമാപ്നു യാം. You are as it were puzzling my mind by these seemingly conflicting expressions. Therefore, tell me the one definite discipline by which I may obtain the highest good. Sri Bhagavanuvāca. Loge smidva vidya nishta pura prokta mayanaga jnana yogena sankhyanam karma yogena yoginam. Sri Bhagavan said, Arjuna, in this world, 2 courses of sadhana, spiritual discipline, had been enunciated by me in the past. In the case of the Sankhya Yogi, the sadhana proceeds along the path of knowledge, whereas in the case of the Karma Yogi, it proceeds along the path of action. Na karmana manaramba naishkarmyam purusho snude. Na ja sannyasana deva siddhim samadhi gacchati. Man does not attain freedom from action, culmination of the discipline of action, without entering upon action, nor does he reach perfection, culmination of the discipline of knowledge, merely by ceasing to act. Na hi kaschit kshanamabi jadu tishtatya karmakrad karyade kvash karma sarva prakriti jair gunaiha. Surely none can ever remain inactive even for a moment, for everyone is helplessly driven to action by modes of prakriti, nature-born qualities. Karmendriyani samyamya ya aste manasa smaran Indriyartha Mudatma Mityajara Sa Uchyati. He who, outwardly restraining the organs of sense and action, sits mentally dwelling on the objects of senses, that man of deluded intellect is called a hypocrite. യസ്ത്വിന്ദ്രിയാണി മനസാ നിയമ്യാര വദേ അർജുന കർമ്മേന്ദ്രിയൈ കർമ്മയോഗ മസത്ത സ visheshyade. On the other hand, he who controlling the organs of sense and action by the power of his will and remaining unattached, undertakes the yoga of selfless action through those organs. Arjuna, he excels niyadam kuru karma tvam karma dhyayo hyakarmanaha sharira yatrabhija tena prasiddheda karmana. Therefore do you perform your allotted duty, for action is superior to inaction. Desisting from action, you cannot even maintain your body. Yajnartha karmane anyatra lohoyam karma bandhanaha tadardam karma kaundeya mukta sangha samajara. Man is bound by his own action except when it is performed for the sake of sacrifice. Therefore, Arjuna, do you efficiently perform your duty, free from attachment, for the sake of sacrifice alone. Sagajna praja srishtva purovaja prajapati anena prasavishyadvamesha osti shta kama duk. Having created mankind along with Yajna at the beginning of creation, the Creator Brahma said to them, "You shall prosper by this. May this yield the enjoyments you seek." Devanba ava yadanena te deva bhavayantu va. Parasvaram bhavayantaha sreya parama vapsyata. Foster the gods through this sacrifice and let the gods be gracious to you. Thus each fostering the other selflessly, you will attain the highest good. Ishtan bhoganhi o deva dasyante yajna bhavidaka tairdattana pradayai ibhyo yo bhunkte stena eva sa. Fostered by sacrifice, the gods will surely bestow on you unasked all the desired enjoyments. He who enjoys the gifts bestowed by them without offering anything to them in return is undoubtedly a thief. Yajnashishta ashinaga sando muchyante sarva ki shai bhujyade te kutogam pavaye pajandyatma karanat. The virtuous who partake of what is left over after sacrifice are absolved of all sins. Those sinful ones who cook for the sake of nourishing their bodies alone partake of a sin only. Annabhivandi bhudani parjanyada enna sambhavaha. Yajnadbhavadi parjanyo yajna karma samudbhava. कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवं विद्धि ब्रह्माक्षर समुद्भवं तस्मद्वा वर्गदं तस्मात्सृ वर्गदं ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञे प्रतिष्ठितम्. All beings are evolved from good. Production of food is dependent on rain. Rain ensues from sacrifice, and sacrifice is rooted in prescribed action. Know that prescribed action has its origin in the Vedas, and the Vedas proceed from the indestructible God. Hence, the all-pervading infinity is always present in sacrifice. Evam pravartidam chakram jnanavartayadi ih yah agayurindriyaramo moham partha sa jividi. Arjuna, he who does not follow the wheel of creation, thus set in motion in this world, example, does not perform his duties, leads a sinful and sensual life, he lives in vain. Yastatmar direva syadatma triptascha manava atmanved atmanyeva cha santushta stasya karyam na vidyate. He, however, who takes delight in the self alone and is grateful and is gratified with the self and is contented in the self, has no duty to perform. Naiva tasya कृदेनार्दो न्याकृदेन कश्चन न चास्य सर्वभूतेषु कश्चिद अर्ध विभाश्रय. In this world, that great soul has nothing to gain by action, nor by abstaining for action, nor has he selfish dependence of any kind on any creature. Tasmadasat sadadam karyam karma samachara asakto hyajara karma paramapanodi purusha. Therefore, go on efficiently doing your duty at all times without attachment. Doing work without attachment, man attains the supreme. Karmanaiva hi samsiddhi mastida janakadaya yogasangraha mevabi sambashyanga artum arhasi. It is through action without attachment alone that Janaka and otherwise men attained perfection, having in view the maintenance of the world order too, you should take to action. Yadya da charadi sreshtastva deva devedaro jana sa tad pramanam kurude logastha denu vartade. For whatever a great man does, that very thing other men also do whatever standard he sets up, the generality of men follow the same. Na me pardasti kartavyam rishu logeshu kinjana jnana vapta mavaptavyam varta yava cha karmani. Arjuna, there is no duty in all the three worlds for me to perform, nor is there anything worth attaining unattained by me, yet I continue to work. Yadi hoyaham na varteyam jadu karmanya vadrida mama atma vivartande manushya parda sarvashaka. Should I not engage in action scrupulously at any time, great harm will come to the world. For Arjuna, men follow my way in all action, in all matters. Utside yurime loha kuryam karma chedaham sangrasya cha karta praja syamuva hanyami ma praja. If I ever cease to act, these worlds would perish. I should prove to be the cause of confusion and of the destruction of these people. Sakta karmanya vidwanso yada kurvandi bharata karyadvi dvastada saktaschi kirshorloka sangraham. Arjuna asked the unwise act with attachment, so should the wise man with a view to maintain the world order act without attachment. Na abuddhivedam janedajnanam karma sanginam joshyetsa sarva karmani vidwanyukta sama therein. A wise man established in the self should not unsettle the mind of the ignorant attached to action, but should get them to perform all their duties, duly performing his own duties. Prakriti kriya manani gunai karmani sarvasha ahangaraka vimudatma kartaki imi manyade. In fact, all actions are being performed by the modes of Prakriti, primordial nature. The fool, whose mind is deluded by again, thinks, I am the doer. Tattvavittu Mahabhaki Gunakarma विभागयो गुणा गुणेषु वर्तन्त इति मत्वा न सज्जते. However, he who has a true insight into the respective spheres of gunas, modes of 75 modes of prakriti and their actions, holding that it is the perfect gunas in the form of the senses, mind, etc., that more than that move among the gunas, objects of perception, does not get attained to them, Arjuna. പ്രകൃതിയെ ഗുണ്രാണ സമ്മൂഢ സജ്ജന്തേ ഗുണകർമ്മഷു താന കൃഷ്ണ വിദോ മന്ദോത്കൃഷ്ണ ഭിന്ന vijalayet. Those who are completely deluded by the gunas, modes of prakriti, remain attached to those gunas and actions. The man of perfect knowledge should not unsettle the third of these ignorance of important knowledge. Mayi sarvani karmani sanyasya atma chedasa nirashini nirmamo nirashir nirmamo bhutva yuddhyasva vigajwar. Therefore, dedicating all actions to me, with your mind fixed on me, the self of all freed from desire and the feeling of a museum and cured a mental agitation, fight. Ye me madamid niyadam നിത്യം യൂതി ഇഷ്ടന്തി മാനവ ശ്രദ്ധാവ അന്തോ ഹ്യാന സൂര്യന്തി സുച്യന്തേ തോ ഗൈ തേ karma bhava. Even those men who, with an uncavailing and devout mind, always follow this teaching of mine, are released from the bondage of all actions. ये त्वेदभ्य सूयन्तो ज्ञानुतिष्ठन्ति मे मदं सर्वज्ञान विमु सर्वज्ञान वि मूढास्ता invidva nashtana chedasa. But they, however, who finding fault with this teaching of mine, do not follow it, take those fools to be deluded into deluded in the matter of all knowledge as lost. Sadrisham ചേഷ്ടതേ സ്വസ്യ പ്രകൃതേജ്ഞ നിവാനവി പ്രകൃതിം യന്തി ഭൂതാനി നിഗ്രഹം കിം കരിഷ്യതി. All living creatures follow their tendencies. Even the wise man acts according to the tendencies of his own nature. But use is restrained by force. Indriyasendriya syarde ragadeshu vyavastitau tayondr വശമാഗച്ഛേത്തൗ ഹാസ്യ പരിബന്ധിനോ. Attraction and repulsion are rooted in all sense objects. Man should never allow himself to be swayed by them, because they are the two principal enemies standing in the way of his redemption. Sreyanswadharmo viguna paradharmaswanushtidat swadharme nidanam sreya paradharmo bhayavaha. One's own duty, though devoid of merit, is preferable to the duty of another well performed. Even death in the performance of one's own duty brings blessedness. Another's duty is fraught with fear. അർജുനോവാച അത കേന പ്രയുക്തോയം പാപം ചരതി പുരുഷഃ അനിച്ഛിന്നവി വൈഷ്ണേയ ബലാദിവ നിയോജിത. Arjuna said, now impelled by what Krishna does this man commit sin even involuntarily, as though drive in by force. Sri Bhagavan Vaja Kama Krodha एवं रजोगुण समुद्भव महाशनो महात्मा विद्योनमिह वैरणीम. Sri Bhagavan said, it is desire begotten of the element of rajas which appears as wrath. Nay, it is insatiable and grossly wicked. Know this to be the enemy in this case. Dhumna Riyade Vakni Riyanda Desho Malenaja Yadolbeina Abrudo Garbastada Tene Dama Vradam. As fire is covered by smoke, mirrored by dust, and the embryo by the ammunition, so is knowledge covered by desire. Avradam jnanamettena jnaninino divya vairana kamaruvena kaundeya dashpurena Nalene, and Arjuna, knowledge, covered by this eternal enemy of the wise, known as a desire, which is insatiable like fire. Indriyani mano buddhi rasya adi sthana muchyade yadairvi moha yatvesha jnana mavritya deginam. The senses, the mind, and the intellect are declared to be its set, covering the knowledge of through these it desire dilutes the embodied soul. Tasmatva mindriya anyadau niyamya Bharata Harshaba Panman Prajahi Honam Jnana Nasha. Therefore, Arjuna, you must first control your senses and then kill this evil thing which obstructs the knowledge of the absolutes or Nirguna Parabrahma and Vijnana, knowledge of Sagara Brahma or manifestation of divinity. Indriyani Paranya who Indriyabhya Param Mana Manasastu Para Buddhiryo Buddhi Paradastu Sa. The senses are said to be greater than the body, but greater than the senses is the mind. Greater than the mind is the intellect. And what is greater than the intellect is he, the self. Evam buddhe param buddhya sastabhya atmana matmana. Thus Arjuna, knowing the self which is higher than the intellect and seducing the mind, heavy by reason, kill this your enemy in the form of desire that is hard to overcome. Om Tatsad Iti Sri Mad Bhagava Adgita Asu Vanishatsu Brahma Vidyalayam Yoga Shastre Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvade. Karma Yogi Nam Tradiya Yogi Dhyaya. Thus, in the Upanishad sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna. Hence the third chapter entitled Karma Yoga or the Yoga of Action. Thank you to all. Jai Hind.